Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this free UGC light stick on Roblox. It is the K-Pop Demon Hunter one. To get it, you are going to visit this game called K-Pop Demon Hunters, the block, and you are going to like the game first. Then you are going to join it precisely on the 1st of September, and you are just going to watch the concert from beginning till the end to get this specific item. And you don't have to do anything for this one. You'll just need to watch the concert from the beginning to the end. It spawns every 1 hour, like the concert. But if you want some other stuff, like other free items like this hair that I got, you'll need to play this game here. Like I'm in the game and you'll need to press on the beats and you'll see how many coins you get from it. Like how many points. If you have the most points, you will win and get the UGC. But if you don't want to try that hard, you can just go for the light stick and watch from the beginning till the end of the concert. Just stay in game and you'll get the light stick. But it's only going to be available for 1 day on the 1st of September on the final day. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!